Hello everyone and welcome to another TrustLaunch tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can access and edit your LaunchPad. Alrighty, if you remember from the previous video, what we did was we created a LaunchPad, pencil token LaunchPad, but we didn't quite finalize everything yet. So what you're going to want to do to access it, if you'll notice, you go to all LaunchPad lists here. It's just not there, and you're thinking to yourself, what the heck? I know I'm not dreaming. I just created this launchpad. Well, it is in fact there. If we go to filter status here and show only my launchpads, you can click filter, and there it is right there. So voila, we've created our launchpad. Now we can go ahead and hit view pool and make some finishing touches so that it does become visible. All right, so here we are. We're at this edit page. Now another way that you can access this is by going to create a, not create a token, sorry, create a launchpad. And if you go here and you paste the address, and we'll just click off of it, you can see there's a little note here. Active Launchpad already exists. You can edit it here. Awesome. So that's another way you can reach this page. And now you can make changes as you wish, right? You can change it to a fair launch. You can create a manual listing instead. You can say, oh, I already have a bonus down here. I don't need a bonus here. But don't forget to hit save if you do make any changes, but we're not going to make any changes, and we're just going to go ahead and see schedule here. So I've gone ahead and pre-scheduled this, but you will need to schedule this in order for it to show on the launchpad list. So you can see here we have a total purchased on display days of 7, and you can purchase more if you like, but what these days are is you have upcoming, live, and ended. And the upcoming period is the period in which your launchpad is visible, not purchasable before launch. And then you have the live period, which is when the token is purchasable. And then the ended period, which is when the launchpad is visible, not purchasable, but it has finished, right? You've finished your launchpad. So you can kind of squeeze out a bit of marketing. And you can mix this up however you'd like. In this example here, I've just scheduled it for the 28th to be upcoming. So as of this date, you will see it on the Launchpad list as upcoming until this date, which will be live. And it will be live until this date, which will be ended and show as ended on the Launchpad list. All right. And if you wanted to make changes, you can make changes afterwards. You can purchase more days afterwards and then make changes. It's totally up to you as long as it hasn't reached this date yet. Next thing what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fill out some project details, right? If you see here, we have no link, we have no nothing, and nobody can learn anything about the project. They just see pencil token. So what you're going to do here is you're just going to write, write things, draw things, words are things. I just totally made that up. I don't know what it means, so don't ask. But you would obviously write a well thought out description of your pencil token or whatever token you're launching. And then again, you can fill out some social links here, Twitter link, Telegram link, your Discord link, a YouTube link, maybe a Reddit page if you got one, a Facebook page. You can punch in your website. Just put pencil.io, probably not a website. And hang on, there we go. Now, and you can also upload a logo, which you should do, of course. I'm going to go ahead here and click choose file. And what you're going to want to do before you do this is it will ask you to sign in. And what it's asking you is just to put a digital imprint so that nobody else, no other wallet can come in and make changes to your Launchpad, right? You're digitally signing your wallet as the owner of this, and you'll be able to make changes, and nobody else will be able to make changes. Now I'm just going to go ahead and find, open, and click upload my logo to my server, and voila, a beautiful little pencil here. I have a logo now, I have a website, I don't have any socials, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit save here and just confirm that. And as that confirms, you will be able to see now my logo will pop up, my website will pop up, and I'll have a little short description there on my project. Other things you can do, there we go, I just confirmed now. You can also add an audit URL, but you need to have 14 days displayed before you can have that, which is purchased here. You just double up your days. And now here, On the whitelist tab, what you can do is you can enable a whitelist or not. And we will have in the next tutorial, we'll probably show a little bit more detail about this, but you can add whitelist if you choose to or not, which kind of lets you pick who can participate in your presale or not. And you can add and remove, and there will be another further in-depth guide on this. So if you're looking for that, you can find that probably in this little playlist that we have going on here. Now, lastly, we have the administration page, which is where you would finalize your presale, cancel your presale, and you can also download your participant list. Now, again, we will have another sort of video kind of explaining a little bit more in detail some of these things, so stay tuned for that. For now, that is it covering editing your Launchpad. Make sure you schedule it and make sure you save those dates, and that is it. Your Launchpad will then show up here when it is in the upcoming phase. So stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now.